Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to make a Google form so you can easily collect responses, feedback, or registrations online. Step 1. Open Google in your browser and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Click on the Apps button, the 9 dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and select Forms to open Google Forms. Step 2. Once Google Forms opens, choose a blank form or select a template at the top if one fits your needs. Click on the title area to name your form and add a description so people understand what the form is for. Step 3. Click on the first question box to start adding questions to your form. Type your question, then choose the answer type, such as short answer, multiple choice, or checkboxes, depending on what information you want to collect. Step 4. Use the toolbar on the right side to add more questions, duplicate existing ones, or create new sections. You can also add images or videos to make the form more clear and engaging for users. Step 5. Once your form is complete, click the Publish button at the top right to make the form live. After publishing, copy the form link and share it with others, and you can track responses anytime from the Responses tab. Thanks for watching Techie Dialogue, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.